Are you struggling to deliver impactful demos to your prospects? Time is money, and every minute wasted hampers your sales. Introducing Storylane, your ultimate solution for empowering pre-sales and transforming how you present demos. Imagine creating personalized demos in just minutes, without any coding. Access tailored templates and scale your demo operations effortlessly. With Storylane, your pre-sales team gains these incredible benefits. 1. Increase your demo capacity while reducing engineering effort. 2. Automate demos with proven patterns to accelerate your sales process. 3. Deliver personalized experiences, enhancing buyer engagement significantly. What sets Storylane apart? Our innovative approach integrates seamlessly with your email, tracking demo engagement in real time. Experience the difference. Join over 4,000 sales and marketing teams already reaping the rewards. Don't let your competitors outshine you. Chat with our demo expert today, and see how 2,500 plus companies boost revenue with Storylane. Start transforming your pre-sales strategy now.